Hello all and welcome to today's video. It's not long now until we can get our hands on the Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus device, so we thought we'd put together a lineup of some of the most marvellous cases that you can get right now, ready for when your handset arrives. Our first case of today is Spigen's Ultra Hybrid S cover. It gives the S21 Plus the vital protection to keep its visuals looking like new long after being purchased. An extremely alluring factor of this case is that you are still able to see the entirety of the handset's visuals, allowing for it to be known that you are the owner of one of Samsung's latest releases. On the back there is a convenient kickstand. That means that you can prop your phone into a position that makes binge watching TV shows easier and more comfortable. I find that the stand is most handy for when taking video calls, as your arm doesn't become tired from holding the handset for too long. The stand only supports your phone when it is in a horizontal position, and when you have finished with your movie marathon, simply place it back against the cover, to which it is then securely held down by a magnet. The edges of the cover are soft. This contrasts with the hard back of the case. The edges make removing and attaching the cover extremely easy and hassle-free, yet the back provides sturdy and strong protection against any physical threat to the device. The soft rubber also means that you are able to function the external features as like before the case was even attached. Now we have the futuristic Samsung LED view cover that displays animated LEDs from the screen's cover to ensure that you do not miss out on anything despite your handset receiving 360 protection. This fun and interactive case will ensure your handset will stand out from the rest for all the right reasons. Not only does the case look good on the phone, but you are also able to delve in deeper and create the icons that appear for when a certain person calls. There is also a selection of icons that you can choose to be displayed on the cover. Therefore, you can customise the case to suit your mood. This can all be done through the app that is presented to you when attaching the cover. You are able to answer and decline calls through the case, meaning for there to be no excuse to be missing anyone's call. When opening the cover, you will notice an integrated slot that is situated on the inside of the screen's cover. This is an extremely handy feature for those items that can be easily misplaced, such as bank cards and travel cards. Now we have the UAG Pathfinder protective case that has been built to provide the ultimate protection for your handset. Much like a lot of UAG products, this case has the main purpose of protection, so if your lifestyle includes non-stop adventures, this cover will be your device's perfect companion. With its ability to exceed the military drop test, you can rest in the fact that this cover will most definitely protect the stunning visuals of the S21 Plus. Its sleek exterior offers an industrial look. Many UAG products are considered to be rather fashionable, and this most certainly includes this cover. Its overall look makes it recognisable as a creation from the trusted and globally known brand. As like all good protective cases, there is a healthy amount of lip guarding the ever so important camera and display. Obviously, if they were to come under direct impact, they will not be protected, but the raised bezel simply offers defence for when they're placed down onto a surface. This heavy-duty case still allows for you to wirelessly charge, allowing for you to get the most out of some of the best wireless chargers that are available on the market. The rubberized pads that are situated on the cover add further more protection to the handset, allowing for you to have a firmer and more secure grip of your phone for when you are using it. Much like the previous official case that featured in today's video, Samsung created yet another cover to allow for your handset to receive 360 protection without feeling disconnected from it. When this cover is closed, you'll still be able to view the time, the phone's battery, incoming calls, and messages without having to even open the case. All of these are viewable through the sleek window on the front of the cover. Not only are they viewable, but you are also able to interact through it, as it is completely touch compatible. This is most useful for when changing your music, as it can be done hassle-free and easy. A huge benefit to this is that you are able to leave your phone on your desk when working, but still be able to see only the important incoming information. Unlike most 360 protective cases, this one does not add any additional weight or size to your handset, allowing for it to still fit perfectly into your pocket. The spine of the case allows for the screen cover to bend all the way to the back of the phone, making it easier for you to hold when scrolling through its contents. As this is an official product, you can rest assured that this case is constructed using the highest quality materials. It is the perfect fit for the S21 Plus device. The inputs and buttons are perfectly cut out of the case to ensure you face no obstructions when wanting to use them, so you can use your phone as if the cover wasn't even attached. There will be no need to remove the case in order to wirelessly charge, allowing for you to charge your device in the most evolved and efficient way possible. The last case of today is Olixar's super soft silicone cover, which is the most cost-friendly case of today. I hold here the pastel green colour, though this colour is also available in a pastel pink, midnight blue and a sleek black. This case provides high quality protection for just a small price. It attaches seamlessly to your handset to give quick and easy protection. What I like most about this cover is its simplistic aesthetic. Your device receives the necessary amount of protection to defend its visuals from day-to-day contact, making this the ideal everyday kind of case. And as it's been made with high quality materials, its visuals will be able to withstand even after a long period of time, to ensure that you get your money's worth. The exceptionally soft texture of this case is definitely a standout feature. Not only does this make it comfortable for you to hold, but it also elevates that much needed grip, as you do not want to be dropping a handset as precious as the S21 Plus. Your volume adjustment buttons are covered by the case, for the simple and practical reasons of providing the utmost protection to defend from everyday scuffs and scrapes. I feel no need to add any additional pressure in order to function them, making adjusting the volume of my music easier than ever. If any of the cases that are featured in today's video have caught your eye, check out the links in the description and comments below for more regular content keeping you up to date with some of the latest and best accessories for your smartphone. Hit our like and subscribe button. Thank you for watching and enjoy the rest of your day.